In primetime news this evening, traffic ticket refund. Court rules government to pay motorists for years of overcharge in fines.
Cops warn of clampdown on bank account rental, facilitating scammers.
And $650 million NHD housing agreement scrapped. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and to those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Kelisha Williams with a preview of what's to come in the financial week. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Kelisha, the world is going green and so is the Jamaica Stock Exchange. By June, a framework should be in place to allow for the floating of what's called green bonds. I'll tell you what that's all about a little later on.
All right, and from business we go to sports. Jordan Fort is here with a preview. Jordan?
Well, Herman, surprise, surprise, the West Indies hold a slim advantage over Australia after they took up their second test in Australia. And Jamaican triple jump prodigy Jaden Hibbert has announced that he's joining the professional ranks. I'll give you all the details in Primetime Sports Friday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening's question. What's your reaction to today's court ruling that traffic fines imposed over a 15-year period ending 2021 were illegal?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and on X at televisionjam1.
Now, please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.